what, this is obviously wrong, but we have the block and it says S-PV, so that's going to be camp 17, and this one is an error in the data. We don't know where this person lives. Okay?
Yes.
So now we want to know how many blocks or zones are in camp.
Yes.
17. So we have this, and then we have the block column over here.
Yes.
Which is column F, and you can get the number of blocks per camp. And you know how to use pivot tables? Have you ever used pivot tables before?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you can use the pivot table, and from the pivot table you can know how many blocks you have, count of block number, and how many. Obviously, you need to clean that data before you use it, yeah? Because here you see you have 1,000 or 2,000 blocks. We'll go back to the data and see why. And you can see the number of family members, for example. It's not really good one to use. No, just count of assessments. Or whatever. But anyways, back to count of block number, why this number is so high. If you go here, you see the block number names are not exactly very, they're in different format.
Okay.
So we have to clean this. So what I do usually to clean this is find a dash, for example. I want to get rid of all the dash, and I'll replace it with nothing. Replace all. We replaced, etc. And then I do the same with the space, for example, and I replace all.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
And that way we have similar looking data now. Obviously, with SSWW, SWW. So we have 3 different formats for the same, which is SWW.
Okay.
So that's like one block, for example. So we need to SWW. Just clean that. Okay?
Yes.
And then there you have it. You have the number of blocks per zone or per camp that you need. Now for the population size, you get it so far? We're good so far?
Yes.
Okay. So again, this is the raw data, Arfan. So we need to keep in mind that we will have to always do some cleaning. Just think about when you receive written data, how we have to do data entry and data cleaning. It's the same with this kind of data. Because we're using the raw format, we have to make sure that things make sense. That's why it's so important to understand the assessment.
Okay.
The questions we ask and the objectives that we ask. Now for population size, this is where I want you to get the population a breakdown, because it's the most detailed. We have about girls and boys and different age groups, blah 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 per camp, and you can also do this through pivot tables if you want, and you can get the number of people blah 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 per camp. So that's camp 17.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
And you can prepare a full demographic profile for each camp. So what I suggest you do today, for example, is go through this exercise like we did today, create a camp cell column
Yes.
to match each entry with a camp number. And if you have any entries with issues that you can't add, you can ask me directly for it. I will be your support from Lebanon. Okay?
Okay. Sure.
Great. And I think it's a really good exercise to start with this report. That's by asked for. And let me know what sorts of issues you go through to prepare that report.
Okay.
Alright?
Yes.
So things are a bit clearer for you?
Yes.
Okay. Great. So tomorrow I will share with you the template for the daily reports that you will get. That people will come to you, either Alex or the deputy program manager will come to you at the end of the day and fill with you a brief daily report that you will compile and share with Alex and myself.
Okay. And already you have shared. Already you have shared a template for weekly reports.
Yeah.
So I should use this one right now.
No, for this weekly template, just go through it to understand what data we collect.
Oh yeah, yeah.
This, the program manager will take charge of collecting, but will ask you for some key data. And I want you to be able to provide this data when you are asked for it, because some of it we collect in the different tools that we have. Like we went through complaints together, we went through the demographic profile together. I want you to go through the rest and see what kind of data you can collect through the data that we have.
Okay.
But otherwise, don't spend too much time on this weekly report. Let Alex take charge of this. It's her priority task.
Okay.
Okay? And then what's really important is setting up the program activity database that we were just talking about. I told you I will send you the template tomorrow with how to set up the database.
Okay, sure.
Okay?
Okay.
Then here when you need me, this is my Skype. Feel free to send me a WhatsApp if you need anything. And tomorrow morning we can also have a quick chat in the morning.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
what time is it there?
Now it's 1:40 p.m.
1:40 p.m. That means about 4 hours. Bangladesh
3 hours,
yeah. 4 hours. Go ahead.
What time is it in Bangladesh now?
4:40 p.m.
Yeah, so 3 hours.
3 hours. Yes, 3 hours.
Okay?
Okay.
Was this helpful? Arfan, do you feel more confident?
Yes, I stay here
Okay.
about 5 p.m.
Okay.
But sometimes I wait for Alex and Katja because they are on the field. When they will come back, then I'll leave the office.
Okay. Okay, perfect. So for the rest of the day, I want you to go through all the assessments and check these headers that we talked about, to check what kind of data we collect.
Okay.
And start preparing the complaints report that I asked you about.
Okay.
Because tomorrow evening, you always prepare it Tuesday afternoon, so I can include the complaints we got on Tuesday or Monday.
Okay. Tuesday or Monday?
Tuesday. You have to prepare that report and share it with me and Alex on Tuesday.
Okay. Tuesday.
Okay?
Yes.
Alright. You can prepare, if you want, you can prepare tomorrow you can prepare one and share it with me, and we can go through it together to see if it's okay.
Yes, I'll make one and I'll share with you tomorrow.
Okay, great.
Because if I do any wrong, and you'll fix this problem.
Exactly.
That would be great for us.
Okay, Arfan. Very nice to talk to you.
Okay, love us.
I'll see you. We'll speak tomorrow then.
Okay, inshallah.
Inshallah. Goodbye and welcome to the team.
Okay, see you soon. See you tomorrow. Love us.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.